Hello and welcome to video number 9. In this specific video, you're going to learn how to set up JVs, two-tier JV brokers for profit sharing so that you can ensure that, let's say for example, that you have two other business partners and you want to set it up so that every time somebody purchases your product, then they are paid at the point of sale. And this feature makes JVZoo powerful because if you think about it, in the olden days, we had to actually manually pay our affiliates or manually pay our business partners. Now it's done at the point of sale, which is very, very powerful. So let me go ahead and go to jvzoo.com and show you how to exactly do this. Setting up profit sharing for JV partners, business partners, for JV brokers, and many more is actually very, very easy to use with JVZoo.com. In fact, I've never seen such an easier system than JVZoo. And to do that, click on JVs and click on Add a JV Agreement and simply enter the name of the JV agreement. So in this case, I could say Graphics 101 and I'll select the product here. And there's many different types of agreements, as you can see here. We've got profits share, a percentage of the profit share. So let's say 30%, 30%, 30% if you have 3 people, or 50%, 50%. And what the beauty of this is it actually calculates, the affiliate's income, share, and your share. So if a buyer buys through your direct link, then it's a 50-50 or whatever you specify. But if the buyer buys through an affiliate link, the affiliate gets the commission, and then from that point you get a split off of that. So that is just purely amazing. So you got profit share here, you got percentage price share. So profit share would be like, okay, minus the PayPal fees and so forth. And then price share would be the overall price. And then you got flat fee per sale. You can give just $100. Let's say a $200 sale, you give $100. Second tier, percent affiliate. Second tier, flat fee affiliate. So affiliate refers to an affiliate. You've got the 2-tier going on. Then you can actually go a lot deeper. So this is very, very powerful in itself. Now let's say, for example, that I have a business partner who gets 50% and profit share. So what you need to do is figure out their JVZoo affiliate ID. They have to have a JVZoo affiliate account, an ID, which you'll need to enter here. So you can only do one by one. So one person at a time per product. So if I need to create another profit share, then I'll need to create another JV agreement. So enter the affiliate ID here, put the pay percentage here, let's say 50%. The date range is optional. I'm going to leave this blank. Max earnings and max sales. Now, you can do this if, let's say, for example, you've agreed with a certain JV. Okay, I'll give you up to this amount. Or a graphic designer, I will give you up to $500 of this, launch or something. You can do that. But in this case, we're going to leave it as it is. And all you have to do is click on Save JV Agreement. And that's it. And just make sure that your JV or your business partner, they have their PayPal account linked in their JVZoo.com account. And from that point, everything is done. It's split. The profit is shared. And JVZoo does their instant affiliate payments. If there's refunds, the refunds are taken out of the accounts instantly. And it's just amazing. So as you can see, very, very easy to set up, not complicated at all. In the next video, I want to talk about affiliate programs, setting it up, and setting up an affiliate contest.